Students, this is Akanksha Vyas here with Intellify, and today we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 13.2. So question number 3 says a metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. The length of the metal pipe is 77 centimeters and the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeters. So the inner diameter of the cross section, this length is 4 centimeters and the outer is 4.4 centimeters. So this whole length combining both is 4.4 and this much is 4. Okay. So we are given with the diameters. We will arrive at the radiuses through by that. We will be dividing it by 2. So first I have given R1 the name of the inner circle's radius. So R1 will be derived by dividing D1. D1, that is diameter of the inner base, by 2, which will come out to be 2 centimeters. And R2 as radius of the outer base, which will be come out 4.4 centimeters. So the curved surface area of the inner area, like the inner pipe, will be 2 pi R1h. R1 is the smaller radius. Putting in the values, the first part of the question is done. For the second part, we are required to find out the outer area, outer curved surface area. That will be 2 times pi R2h. R2 was the outer or the bigger radius, and this will be the area, CSA. Then the third part is the most tricky part of this question. That is not at all direct. It has asked us to find out the total surface area of a pipe. So we know that the pipe is hollow from inside. Like when the water comes out, so there is a hollow part from that the air or the water passes. So for that, we will first be finding out the inner surface area, then the outer curved surface area, and to find the area of this region, we are required to subtract the area of the two bases, and that will be 2 times the area of outer circle, because we have 2 base, area of outer circle into 2 times, minus 2 times the area of inner circle, 2 times the area of inner circle, because of the same reason, having 2 base. By putting in then this was the equation that arrived for the total surface area, and we have found out the area of both the ends. Substituting all the values in this equation, we will arrive at our answer and the question will be complete.